So I'm guessing you guys know Euros is about to kick off, yeah? Ever since COVID started in early 2020 and football was paused and then came back, we've been watching football without fans in the stadium. At the beginning of those COVID restrictions, we had the worldwide protest, Black Lives Matter, sparked by the George Floyd murder. What happened when football came back was that the players decided to take a knee at the beginning of every game to show solidarity with Black Lives Matter, just to tell the world that, listen, we know that people are being oppressed. And for over a year, this has not been an issue. We've just been sitting back, watching them play the game and taking a knee at the beginning. Well, now the Euros is about to begin, and the international teams are playing their friendlies. So the English fans who are finally back into the stadiums watching their team took the second to boo their players for protesting Black lives. And their excuse for all of this is that it's blown out of proportion. You know, it started up by Marxists, and it's about time we end the protest. I'm sorry, but who determines when the oppressed stop being oppressed?